Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI S Tronic, finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, and it looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. Being the Black Edition, you get multiple elements of styling, including the gloss black badges and bumper trims, as well as the roof bars and window surrounds. Under the bonnet is a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine producing 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these Black Edition specific Audi Sports 20-inch 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in with the Black Edition styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid to reveal maximum storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. And with the rear seats folded down, you get extra storage space for those larger and bulkier items. Moving on to the rear, the interior is finished in twin leather for maximum luxury and comfort, with pull down centre armrests with dual cup holders for rear passengers, and the rear air vents, they get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls, such as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and with this being the Tech Pack model you do get the parking system with the rear view camera and front and rear sensors to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures, or you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. With this being the Tech Pack model, you also get the wireless phone charger and Sonos premium sound system for that maximum luxury feel. Thank you for watching this video on the improved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI S Tronic in Daytona Grey, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.